Dr. Radha Mohan from Mumbai, Andheri East, Holy Spirit Hospital. I have come for vaccination. Because of I need to speak to you all, I need to remove this mask, but otherwise we should not remove. We have to cover the nose and mouth. And Dr. Anu, she is my doctor, Dr. Anu Arora. She is also from my society, Greenfields, Andheri East. Because of her, today I have come and I am doing this. I have taken the vaccine, but still, just one time you show your face.
Yeah. I am Dr. Anu Arora here from Holy Spirit Hospital. We are doing COVID. We have a COVID vaccination center here. All of you, please come and take the benefit of the center. Thank you.
Doctor told me one time. Doctor told me, see, we should not remove this nose and mouth should not be seen, and at the same time, even specs also. Our eyes should be covered. So eyes and nose and mouth should be covered always. Thank you, ma'am. I will continue.
Thank you.
Thank you. And because of I need to speak to you all, I'll remove this specs and this mask. Yeah. Now I am feeling little comfortable to explain to you. See, today morning 7:30 we have come to Holy Spirit Hospital. It is in Andheri East, Mumbai. From my society, and this just walkable distance, my society to this hospital. But when I am coming on the way, I was surprised to see long line from here to off of the road. It means people are waiting, eagerly waiting to take the vaccination injection. And I was so surprised whether I'll get chance or not. But luckily I have registered before, 2-3 days before. That is the reason I got the opportunity to take starting. But these Holy Spirit Hospital sisters and doctors and nurses, they are taking care so well and well disciplined. Even on the line, everybody is maintaining distance. And I was so surprised. Bombay people are so disciplined people. Even not only here, even bus stand and railway station, everywhere they are covering like this complete nose and mouth and eyes. They should cover with the eyes and nose and mouth. Don't think we have to remove or we have to remove this. Because of we are removing our this mask and specs and all that, we are cheating ourselves and we are spoiling others' health also. We have a responsibility to take care of others' health also. That is the reason we must cover our eyes and mouth and nose. So, and one more thing, here that all the nurses and doctors, sisters, they are taking care like a wheelchair people separate. They kept the what is called booth, and 5 booths are there here. Morning 8 to night 6 or evening 6 o'clock. Continuously non-stop these injections they are giving everybody. They are making them to sit half an hour for observation. If anything goes wrong, they are ready to take care of them. But luckily till now, since so many days onwards, they are giving so many months onwards this vaccination, still nothing happened to anybody. So I believe it's everybody prayers are there here. It's a Holy Spirit meaning itself is so much spirituality is there, and they are working also like really like a parents or sisters, like a brothers. Even watchmen, they are taking care of the old patients are coming 80 years, 60 years, that age people also coming. They cannot walk, they are giving the hand like a daughter or son like that. I was so surprised to see they are covering themselves, still they are taking care of own family. When I was coming inside, they said, Radha, this is the line, every day it is going on. I was so surprised. Means why I am telling all these things to you, please everybody, whoever taking injection, after taking injection, half an hour we have to sit and wait here in front of the doctor. And Dr. Arora just now she went, and the doctor and the nurses also, Sister Sneha and what is her name?
Sister Vasanti.
Sister Vasanti and one more sister, Lissy.
Sister Jessie Mary.
Jessie Mary and one more sister. Just in the morning I saw.
Sister Elsie ma'am.
Elsie ma'am. Yeah, because Sister Elsie ma'am and Sister Mercy from Bangalore, they both they told me, I was so scared to take injection, vaccine injection. I said no, I am so healthy, no BP, no sugar, no thyroid, nothing. I am active. I said, but they said no, Radha, you must take. You take means if you are taking injection means you will be healthy and your neighbors, your friends are also healthy. They said it is 100% true. That is the reason for my friends, for my family, my social friends, everybody should be safe means Radha should be safe, I felt. That is the reason I have come here to take the injection. Yeah, after taking this injection, then they told me to move hand. We should not stand or sit like this. Half an hour they said, no. So when we move hand like this, our hand should be free movement. Then we don't get fever or pain or something like that. We ourselves, we have a self-discipline means we can protect ourselves and we can save others also if we are disciplined. So she's also my friend, doctor. You please just show your face. Yeah, tell your introduction.
I'm Dr. Anuja, Assistant Medical Director and the coordinator for this vaccination schedule. And we are working, all Sister Vasanti, Sister Jessie Mary and all our other staffs, we are working together to vaccinate all. This is our main aim and we are working hard to this. Citizens are also cooperating with us. We are also trying to make as much as we can. All the best to all of them.
We two can at a time.
I have to do something about it.
Yeah, doctor, I think 3 years back I have performed for here, what is that, cancer survivors. In Holy Spirit Hospital, cancer survivors, for them, I and my husband, we both performed. She was the proof. She was there that day.
Yeah,
She enjoyed.
we thoroughly enjoyed it. It was a stunning performance, both of them. It was wonderful.
Yeah,
Excellent.
me and my husband, we both are classical dancers. Still, we came here to take injection because of my husband. Now he's taking injection. That's why he's not with me now here. But really, we are so much happy. So please take care of everybody and take care of the society also and your family also. Thank you so much. Now, wait, sister. See, now I'm closing my nose, mouth, and my eyes. Thank you so much. This is Radha Mohan from Mumbai. Andheri East, the Holy Spirit Hospital. Thank you, Sister Mercy and Elsie and Sister, all nuns here and doctors and watchmen especially. Thank you. 1 minute. This is the way we have to save. This is the way we have to save ourselves and save others also. Thank you so much.